now we're gonna open this L.O.L. Not a remix. Pet remix L.O.L. Let's open. Blue box. It's a blue box under there. Did you see that? It's a remix hair flip. It's big and big and big because the L.O.L is big. Wow! That is giant! Let's see. Huh? What is that? Ah, it's for the CD. Okay, let's peel that back. And what is that broken heart? And now we got it. And here's this diva. It's a yellow diva. I'm gonna open that. There's a million of bags. 2 more. Wait. Look, diva change colors. It's Nana, Nene, whatever it's called. Yeah. It's her dress. No, it's a... I don't know what it is. What is that? Ah, a stand. Okay, let's put that later. Okay. Oh, how much? How much? Bands. Hair bands. Hair bands. There's too much hair bands. There is 4 hair bands in this. Shoes. The shoes. Oh, she has funny shoes. That's fine. It's a tiny funny. She already color changed. Diva already changed color because it's not warm. Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, CD. Ah, it's for this. Whatever that is. I know, it's a water bottle. It's a colorful water bottle for Diva. Something small. Something small on this side. It's a comb. It's a blue comb. Ah, we can do it. Ah. No. Just kidding. Let's not do that. This is the biggest. I want to open the biggest, the last one. That means her hat. It's her hat. Nene. Her name is Nene. Tap. Yeah. Okay, the last bag. Square hair bands again. Wow. Now Diva, whatever her name is, she is super yellowy, and she has earrings that are stretchy and tiny. Woohoo! Yeah. It's a Diva. See her changing color? She has a swimsuit on already. And she has a swimsuit pantalon. Whatever that. What is going on? Okay. get on the clothes on her. Now this jacket. She is cold. The jacket does not have any sleeve. That's funny. Okay. She's not moving her arm so much. It's not bother him. Hands. Look at that. Yeah, no sleeve. It's okay. I'm not gonna do that now. Or mine. Wait. Look. Purple is in her hair here. No, turquoise. Well, okay. Let's put everything in a box. Okay, and CD. Let's try the CD. Yeah, that's a great idea. No. Chip.